Welcome to Shrinarayana Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Subject Mathematics Standard 5. Chapter 12 Perimeter and Area. Students, keep in mind the area of a square is length into breadth. Formula for the area of square. Look here. This is the formula for the area of a square. Length of a side into length of a side. Square have 4 sides, means side, length of a side into length of a side. Let's check out word problems to understand the formula. What is the area of rectangle whose length is 20 cm and width is 15 cm? This is rectangle. If the length is 20 cm, width is 15 cm, then we have to find the area of a rectangle. So formula for the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 20 cm and width means breadth 15 cm. So 20 into 15 is 300. So the area of rectangle is 300 square centimeter. Don't forget to write square whenever you will find area. And if centimeter is given in the question, you have to write centimeter here. If meter is given, then you have to write meter here. Second example. A wall that is 4 meter long. A wall that is 4 meter long and 3 meter wide has to be painted. If the labor charges are 25 rupees per square meter, what is the cost of the labor for painting this wall? So how will you solve this problem? Just look here. First, let us calculate the area of the wall to be painted. It is very important to find out first of all the area of the wall to be painted. So area of the wall equals to length of the wall into breadth of the wall, means length into breadth. Area of rectangle. So 4 into 3. 4 is the length and 3 is the breadth. Thus the area of the wall is 12 square meter. 12 square meter is the area of wall and the labor cost of 1 square meter is 25 rupees. So the labor cost for the 12 square meter will be 12 into 25, that is 300. So the cost of labor for painting the wall will be 300 rupees. So first of all, it is very necessary to find out the labor cost of 1 square meter. So in this way, you have to write this example into your classwork copy. Example number 3. What will be the area of square with the sides 15 centimeter? If the area of square, you have to find whose size is given 15 centimeter. One side is 15, then square have 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. So in this way you have to find the area of the square. Length of the side into length of the side means 15 into 15. So 15 into 15 is 225. Thus the area of square is 225 square centimeter. So in the same way you have to solve your practice set 2. Now fourth example. One side of a square room is 4 meter. If the cost of labor for lying 1 square meter of the floor is 35 rupees, what will be the total cost of the labor? This is your question. So first we must find the area of the square room. So if the room is square, so it is very common to find out the area of the square room, and to find out the area of the square room you have to put the formula for area of square. Length of one side into length of other side, means 4 into 4. If one side of the square room is given 4 meters, so 4 into 4 is 16. Therefore the area of the square room is 16 square meter. The cost of labor, the labor cost of lying 1 square meter of flooring is 35 rupees. Therefore, the cost of laying 16 square meter of flooring is 65 into 16 into 35. 16 into 35. So 16 into 35 is 560 rupees. So in this way you have to solve these 4 problems, examples of word problems given in your textbook, into your classwork copy, and also try to solve first 4 problems of problem set 50. I hope you understand. That's all for now. Thank you.